Here's how you can find and use Instagram Reel templates. So first of all, there are many options by which you can go with it, but the best one is Canva. You just have to search for it on any browser that you are using, or you can also go with the mobile application version. So once you are in, you just have to tap on video, and in order to go with the Instagram Reel, you just have to scroll to the right side and tap on this Instagram Reel. Once you have tap on this will now show you a bunch of templates that you can go with. Some are free and some are paid. You have to select any one of these that you want to go with. So let's say I want to go with this one right here. So simply tap on this, and now this will take few seconds in order to load up your template. Once you are in, as you can see, this is the reel, and if I tap on this play button, this is how it will looks like. Now in order to select or add your media files, you just have to tap on that particular reel, and you just have to tap on this add button. Now as you can see, it has added this new timeline, which you can also delete it if you have accidentally added this. So simply tap on this reel that you want to replace and tap on the three dots on the top right and go for this magic switch. Now you just have to choose your particular video that you want to go with. So I will simply choose this one and tap on open button. After that, this will take few seconds in order to load up our video. That you can also edit this bunch of text that is going on right now. You can also add some layers if you want to go with. Otherwise, tap on the text and tap on the plus icon if you want some other text as well at the same time. So in order to edit this, you just have to tap on edit, and now you can go with this text whatever you want to go with, and tap on export on the top right when you are done, and tap on download button. So again, there are many bunch of websites that you can also visit and reconsider this. So hope this helped. This is how you can find and use Instagram Reel template.